Hi you all, so in today's video I'm going to be talking about 10 morning skincare habits for glowing skin this festive season. These are all of the 10 things that you need to start following if you're not following them already for that inner glow from within, which is so apt for this festive season. And the best part is that all of these habits are really easy to incorporate in your busy morning regimes without having to go out of the way to follow them. So yeah, if you want to know about all of these 10 habits that are going to give you glowing skin from within, then please keep on watching. The first habit that you can start off with is to hydrate your body first thing in the morning. Drink lots and lots of water when you get up. This is because overnight when you have been sleeping, you haven't had a lot of water, because of which your body becomes dehydrated when you get up in the morning. So you need to hydrate it back again by drinking lots of water. Now by lots of water, I don't mean that you keep on drinking water until you finally like vomit and puke it all out. No, don't do that. But drink at least half a liter of water when you get up in the morning. Half a liter is easily drinkable and it's enough to hydrate your body back again, and then you can keep on sipping water throughout the day. You can also like squeeze half a lemon into your water and drink that way you're gonna get your boost of vitamin C along with hydration. Always remember that when your body is hydrated, your skin also looks hydrated, healthy and glowing. Habit number 2 that you can start following is very similar. I advise you all to drink coconut water in the morning. Coconut water is amazing, not just to hydrate your body but also to flush out all of the toxins from your body. Because when you flush all of the toxins out of your body becomes clean and your skin becomes clearer, and that's how it glows even more. Also, you can do one more thing. You can just save a little bit of coconut water and use that later to wash your face. It's amazing for your skin as well. Habit number 3 that you can start following is the ice cube technique. Now this is something that I learned from Katrina Kaif. She does this every single morning. So what you need is take a big bowl, fill it with half water and half ice, and then let the ice melt a little bit into the water for about 5 minutes, and then dip your face into the water for as long as you can and remove it, and repeat the process a couple of times. Now I know that this sounds a little scary and it's just not something that you want to do first thing in the morning, but trust me, Katrina swears by it. She swears by it for her glowing skin, and I've also tried this technique and it works brilliantly for my skin as well. So how this works is that when you dip your face into ice cold water, it helps to improve blood circulation, and it helps to rush all of the blood flow onto your face. That just makes your skin look more flushed and more glowing, and moreover, if you have large open pores, it's going to help to improve the appearance of your pores by making them look a little tighter. So it's not just good for the complexion but also for the texture of your skin. Habit number 4 that you can start following is to include an Ubtan face wash in your morning routine. Ubtan based products are amazing for your skin as they add an instant glow to your skin, and that's why I love using this Wow Ubtan face wash. This is a foaming face wash which comes with a built-in brush, and this face wash contains ingredients like chickpea flour, turmeric, saffron and almond extracts, rose water and sandalwood oil, which are all amazing for your skin. And the best part is that this face wash is 98.1% naturally derived. So this contains 98% of natural ingredients which have so many benefits on your skin when you use it first thing in the morning. This face wash helps to clean your skin, it helps to clarify your complexion, it helps to de-tan your skin by removing all of the sun tanning. It helps to provide an instant glow on your skin, and it also has some amazing anti-aging benefits for your skin. So it's a guilt-free face wash that you can use in the morning. It's so natural, and it's free from harmful chemicals as well, like parabens, silicone, sulfates, color, etc. It's free from all of that harmful stuff. So by using a face wash like this, you're gonna get that instant glow in the morning. Habit number 5 that you need to start following is to exfoliate your skin. Now not just your face but your body skin also requires a little bit of care in order to look radiant. So that's why you need to start including an Ubtan based scrub in your morning regime for your body skin. I love using this Wow Ubtan face and body scrub. Now this is 92.8% naturally derived. It contains 92% of natural ingredients, and the scrub is going to help to exfoliate all of the dead skin cells from your body by revealing the fresher, newer layer of skin on top, which is going to look much more radiant. And how I love using the scrub is that I use it on my entire body and really massage it on my skin for about 5 minutes, and then let it stay on my skin for another 5 minutes, and then I rinse it off with normal water. That just makes my skin so much more soft, so much more smooth, and so much more supple. And my body skin glows so much after following this hack due to the turmeric and saffron in this scrub. So I highly recommend you use the scrub in the exact way that I recommended. That way you're going to get much more benefits out of the scrub. Habit number 6 that you can start following is to use a face mask in the morning instead of using it at night, because when you use a face mask in the morning, the benefits of the face mask kind of last all day long. Face masks help to clarify your skin, they help to pull out all of the excessive oils from your face, they help to deeply cleanse your skin, and they help to add that instant glow on your skin, which is going to last all day long if you use a face mask in the morning. Now I highly recommend you use an Upton based face mask, because Upton masks are made up of mostly natural ingredients, and it's always a better option to use natural ingredients for your face. And that's why I recommend this Wow Upton face and body pack. Now this is 91.5% naturally derived, so it contains 91% of natural ingredients, and the ingredients like saffron, turmeric, chickpea flour, almond extracts, etc. all of these ingredients are so beneficial for the skin. They help to clarify your skin tone, they help to improve your complexion, they help to detan your skin by removing all of the sun tanning, they help to reduce the appearance of your pores, they help to even out your skin tone, and they help to add that visible, beautiful glow on your skin. So a face pack like this I recommend you use once or twice or even thrice a week, because this is a non-drying face pack. It doesn't dry out your skin, it's not harsh for the skin, it's not too much for the skin, it's very gentle on the skin. So you can use it up to 3 times. You can use it every alternate days, especially during the festive season, to get that instant glow which is gonna last all day long. Habit number 7 is to hydrate your full body right after your shower. So right after you're done having a bath, you need to moisturize not just your face but your entire body as well. Now this is something that I never ever skip. I do this every single day, and ever since I've started doing this, my body skin has been thanking me, because it's just become so much more smoother, so much more softer, and so much more radiant. We take a lot of care of our face, but we forget our body. We forget that our body skin also becomes dehydrated, it also becomes aged, and to prevent that you need to moisturize it every single day. And the sooner that you begin with this habit, the better it is for your skin, the better it's gonna be for your skin in the future when you age, when your skin also ages. So always remember to take care of not just your face but also your body skin. Just moisturizing it is gonna do the job. You don't require anti-aging products for your body skin. Just a simple moisturizer right after your shower is gonna do the job for it. And always remember that hydrated, healthy skin always looks radiant. Hack number 8 is to eat fresh fruits and juices in the morning. You can either consume them as a whole meal as a breakfast, or you can consume them along with your breakfast. But always remember that your fruits need to be fresh, your juices need to be fresh. They should not come out of tins and packages. No packaged food whatsoever. Freshly cut fruits and freshly squeezed juices, because only fresh food contains all of the nutrients that are essential for your body. When preservatives are added, or when the food is packed for a long time, the food actually loses all of the nutrition. So remember that your food needs to be fresh. Another thing that you need to keep in mind is that do not add any extra sugar, any extra salt, any extra flavors whatsoever into these fruits or juices. Eat them and drink them raw, eat them as they are, and just enjoy the natural flavor and the natural sugars of these fruits. Some of my favorite fruits that I love eating in the morning are apples, pears, watermelon, strawberry, other berries, cherries, oranges, kiwi, etc. I love eating all of this stuff in the morning. And my favorite cocktail juice is a mixture of oranges, strawberries and kiwi. It tastes amazing. It tastes divine. Like, it has that little bit of sour taste, sour and sweet taste, but I absolutely enjoy the taste. So I highly recommend you start consuming fruits and juices in the morning, either as a whole meal or along with your breakfast. Habit number 9 that you need to start following is to do yoga and meditation in the morning. Now, I do yoga and meditation every day, but sometimes I do it in the morning and sometimes in the evening. But when you do it in the morning, it's even better for your body and for your skin, because yoga is nothing but exercise of your inner organs, and when your inner organs get that exercise, they function better, and when your inner organs function better, your overall body functions better, and that just shows out on your skin. So yoga has amazing benefits for your skin, and along with that, if you just do like 1 or 2 sets of Surya Namaskar, that's also great for your entire body. And just 5 or 10 minutes of meditation along with that is gonna help you achieve that inner glow from within, because meditation helps to clear out your mind, it helps to clear out your thoughts, and it just helps you connect with your soul, it helps you connect with the inner you. And when you become all stress free, that shows out on your skin. Meditation is really great for your skin, but it takes a lot of time to reach that level of meditation. So constant practice is what is the key. So just a little bit of yoga, just a little bit of Surya Namaskar and meditation in the morning is gonna make a lot of difference, not just for your skin but for your entire body. And last but not the least, the 10th habit that you need to start following is to smile and laugh, because when you smile and when you laugh, you look most beautiful, and when a day begins with a smile, it ends with a smile. So the more that you smile, the more that you're gonna shine brighter, the more your skin is gonna look better, the more you are gonna look better, and yeah, overall it's just gonna make you feel better. So the more that you smile, it's gonna reflect on the outside, and you as a personality are gonna shine. So shine bright, smile bright, and glow bright. So yeah, those were all of the habits that you need to start following in your morning regime to get that inner glow from within, which is so apt for the festive season. In case if you try out any of these habits, try them at least for 1 week before you see the difference on your skin, and let me know in the comments below how these things work out for you. And also, if there is something else that you generally do in your morning regime or maybe throughout the day for your glowing skin, then do let me know in the comments as well, because I would love to try out more such habits. All of these Wow Uptan products are great for glowing skin, and they are amazing for the festive season. I highly recommend you try them out. They're all available on Amazon, Nykaa, Flipkart, on Wow's website and on their app. And in case if you shop them from Wow, you can use my coupon code, that is RIA20, to get some discount. And also, every single time that you purchase a Wow product, make sure that you scan the QR code at the back of the packaging to ensure that your Wow product is 100% original and authentic. And yeah, if you have any other video requests for me, please leave that as well in the comments below. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram. And yeah, with that, it's a wrap for today. I shall see you in my next video.